Feeding O-rings is one of the most persistent challenges in automation. Soft, elastic, and highly deformable, O-rings tend to overlap, twist, and stick together. Traditional feeding systems struggle to manage them reliably. Jams are frequent, orientation becomes unstable, and production often requires continuous supervision. FlexiBowl completely changes this approach. Through a controlled combination of rotation and impulse, it gently separates and distributes O-rings across the disk surface. A vision system precisely detects each part and guides the robot for accurate pick and place operations. The process ensures repeatability, prevents tangling, and protects even the softest materials from stretching or tearing. Changeovers are fast, formats can be switched in seconds, and the same platform can handle multiple sizes with no mechanical retooling.